You don't have a funding problem, you have a structure problem. And I know that might not be what you want to hear. But if you've been applying for grants, loans, or funding and getting denied, ignored, or delayed, this is the video you need to watch all the way through. Good morning, I'm T. Nicole, and I help entrepreneurs and nonprofit founders go from idea to fully structured, funding-ready organizations. And today we're going to talk about something that frustrates a lot of people. Why am I not getting funding? Because from your perspective, your idea is good, your mission is strong, and your heart is in the right place. But from the funder's perspective, something is missing. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what that is. Funding is not random, it's not luck. Funding is strategic. Money moves based on structure, positioning, and clarity. And if those three things are not aligned, you will get passed over. I've had people say, I don't understand, they funded someone else and my idea is better. Funding is not about the best idea, it's about the best structured idea. Let's break this down. First, no clear business plan. Funders want to know, where is this going? How will this operate? Next, no financial clarity. You're asking for money, but you can't show how it will be managed. Funders don't fund risk, they fund structure. The big one, no proper structure. Operating without an LLC or missing key documents. Your foundation is weak. I want you to catch this. Money flows to structure, not just ideas. You can have a powerful mission, but if it's not structured, it's not fundable. I worked with a founder who had a powerful nonprofit idea and passion to serve. She applied for funding and was denied multiple times. When we reviewed her case, her structure wasn't clear, so we paused. We rebuilt her structure, her positioning, and her documentation. Then she applied again. Approved, same person, same mission, different structure. Funders are looking for 4 things: sustainability, organization, compliance, and clarity. If those are present, you move forward. How do you fix it? Step 1, proper structure. Set it up correctly from the start. Step 2, clear direction and strategy. Step 3, show how money flows and grows. Step 4, clear positioning. When someone reads your documents, they should get it immediately. So if you've been applying and not getting results, stop hoping. Fix the foundation first. Don't just keep hoping something changes. If you want help becoming funding ready, drop funding in the comments or check the link below to book a consultation. Let's get your structure aligned.